Can we envisage a future where humanoid robots walk among us not just in science fiction but as an everyday reality? Today, we delve into China's exciting journey in humanoid robot technology. The roots of this journey trace back to the unveiling of Jia, the country's first humanoid robot. Developed by engineers at the University of Science and Technology of China, this impressive creation could hold conversations, answer questions, and even make microfacial expressions, much like a human. Many humanoid robots followed with impressive capabilities. Current humanoid robots are equipped with remarkable artificial intelligence, enabling them to process vast amounts of information and interact autonomously with their surroundings. They can recognize faces, voices, objects, and scenes, as well as learn from their own experiences and feedback. They can also adapt to different environments, tasks, and situations, and collaborate with other robots and humans. But China didn't stop there. With an ambitious vision, the country set its sights on mass-producing humanoid robots by the year 2025. This grand plan, spearheaded by China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, aims to establish a robust domestic ecosystem for humanoid robots. From leading enterprises to small and medium-sized businesses, from mass production to industrial development hubs, China is leaving no stone unturned to drive the growth of humanoid robots. This ambitious endeavor prioritizes advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and robot autonomy, seeking to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with machines. But what does this mean for various industries? Well, the impact is expected to be transformative. Envision humanoid robots replacing human labor in extreme environments, or performing intricate tasks that were once exclusive to human expertise. From healthcare to manufacturing, from space exploration to domestic services, the possibilities seem endless. Currently valued at over $1 billion, the humanoid robot market is projected to grow at a compound annual rate of 21.1% until the year 2030. With China's significant push into humanoid robotics, the global dynamics of technology and industry are set to shift dramatically. The dawn of humanoid robots in China marks an exciting era of AI and robotics, setting a stage for a future we could only dream of a few years ago. But this is just the beginning, and there's plenty more to explore. So, buckle up as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of China's humanoid robots. China's progress in humanoid robot technology has not been a solo act. It has been driven by key players and significant milestones. Let's delve into the contributions of some of these major players and the pivotal breakthroughs they have made. One company that has left a significant mark on the field is Fourier Intelligence. Specializing in rehabilitation robots and artificial intelligence, Fourier Intelligence unveiled its humanoid robot, the GR1, at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, 2023. The GR1 is one of the few humanoid robots in China that can be scaled for commercialization, with potential applications spanning from industrial production and rehabilitative care to scientific research and household services. Standing at 1.65 meters tall and weighing 55 kilograms, this robot can walk at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour and lift objects weighing up to 50 kilograms. Its bionic structure and human-like motion control make it a marvel of technological innovation. Another key player in the field is the tech giant Xiaomi, known for its diverse range of electronics. Xiaomi has unveiled a humanoid robot called the Cyber One. Resembling Tesla's Optimus robot, the Cyber One is a real-world robot that weighs 115 pounds and stands just a few inches short of 6 feet. This robot can recognize environmental sounds, classify human emotions, and display information on a curved OLED screen. While the robot's purpose and tasks are still under wraps, it's clear that Xiaomi is making competitive strides in the humanoid robot market. Not to be overlooked are the contributions of other Chinese companies like Dream Technology, Hanson Robotics, Cloudminds, Xiaosun, as well as tech giants Baidu and Xiaomi. These companies are not only entering the humanoid robot market but are also aiming to surpass global leaders in walking capabilities. These key players and breakthroughs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the future of humanoid robots in China. Their impressive features and capabilities are a testament to the rapid progress being made in this field. As we continue to witness these advancements, it's clear that the era of humanoid robots is not a distant future, but a present reality. Despite the impressive advancements, China's journey in humanoid robotics hasn't been without challenges. With a market already valued at over $1 billion and projected to grow by over 20% annually until the year 2030, the stakes are high. Yet, there's a gap that still exists in core component technologies between China and international manufacturers. This gap, while narrowing, is a hurdle that needs to be overcome. However, it's not just about hardware. AI capabilities are also critical for humanoid robots. While the US currently holds the reins in this area, China is investing heavily in software development and talent nurturing to close this gap. The nation's larger market and ability to quickly launch products at 80% completion give it a unique advantage. Yet, there's an elephant in the room: the impact of US chip export controls on China's AI development. While the country's robotics industry has so far weathered these controls, new restrictions on AI chip exports could pose a significant challenge. But don't count China out just yet. The country is known for its resilience and resourcefulness. In response to these challenges, China is implementing strategic measures. The government is funding young companies in the field to accelerate development. Companies like Fourier Intelligence are aiming to mass-produce general-purpose humanoid robots, while tech giants Baidu and Xiaomi are also entering the fray. Moreover, the focus is not just on creating humanoid robots but also on building a strong domestic ecosystem. The plan is to establish leading enterprises, small and medium-sized businesses, and industrial development hubs all dedicated to humanoid robotics by 2025. These challenges, while significant, are stepping stones towards a future where humanoid robots become an integral part of our lives. The journey is exciting, filled with breakthroughs and innovations, and as China continues to navigate this path, the world watches with bated breath, anticipating the next leap in humanoid robotics. China's advancements in humanoid robot technology are truly awe-inspiring, but what does the future hold? The country's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology has laid out ambitious plans to establish a robust domestic ecosystem for humanoid robots by 2025. This ecosystem will encompass mass production, leading enterprises, small and medium-sized businesses, and industrial development hubs. The focus is on artificial intelligence, robot autonomy, and advanced robotics engineering. These elements are expected to revolutionize industries and potentially replace human labor in extreme environments. With the humanoid robot market already valued at over $1 billion and projected to grow at a compound annual rate of over 20% until 2030, the impact is bound to be transformative. China's push into humanoid robotics is not only reshaping its own technological landscape, but also influencing the global market dynamics. Businesses worldwide should brace themselves for the shifts that this innovation will bring. China's humanoid robots are not just a testament to technological progress, they're also a symbol of the future that lies ahead, a future where robots and humans coexist and collaborate. Thank you for joining us on this journey into China's exciting world of humanoid robots. Don't forget to check out the video cards for more on the AI revolution, and remember to subscribe, like, or share our content. We can't wait to see you in our next video.